Josh, I appreciate you for calling my name. What's up? How we doing? And hey yo, what's up? YouTube is your boy JOSHABRAHAM. And just like the titles read, we're back with the job hunt. Doing okay? Hope your studies are going well. Yeah, I kind of wasted my yesterday. Like yesterday, I did not use my time properly. Stupid me, I know. But today also I still have a class after 1 hour, and we are bringing back a new series. It's not a new one. I haven't done the last series. I haven't continued with the initiative to do the last series. Like it's job search. It's been a long time since I looked for jobs, and we are bringing it back, cause source of income. It is hard to live without a source of income. And how do I start? I don't know. What do I search? I heard about lab technician jobs, right? Beginner lab technicians jobs. What? No. Uh, I'm looking for part time. Oh, we got English. Okay. Um, I don't want to go too far. Come on. And there's no part time option. Lamb research. No. No, 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 please. God damn it. At research. You know what? You wanna play that way? I got my shift. Oh god, please. Yeah. At Lamb Research, we create equipment that drives technological advance in semiconductor industry. Fuck, that's not useful. Steiermark, I heard that this is. That's pretty nearby. Okay, it's all full time. No, I don't think I could do full time. Labor jobs, pharma industry. Indeed, indeed, maybe. I'm looking for part time, dog. There's not part time. Let's ask GPT. What type of part time jobs can I land with me being Also, I do remember Clonopin Commander. You told me about the research part in JKU. Research portal? Faculty of Natural Science. There might be part-time jobs at your uni. Yeah, that's that's what I prefer. Number one, because uni is like 5 minutes walking distance for me. If I get a job in university, that's the best thing that could happen. But I don't know if I am capable to do a job, part-time job in uni, and I don't know if there's jobs in university. Christian Doppel Laboratory for Steel Industry. Okay. Also, I heard that there's a company that's gonna do a small presentation in our university. Let me pull that up. Yeah, it's based on sustainable cardboard. I don't know, but oh no, paper-based packing and innovation. Oh, and mills and plants. What do they do? Come on, three. It's worldwide focus on Europe. Several important pillars in Mondi. Searching for new bachelor's and master's students. Mm-hmm. Applying our industrial techniques. Process development data centers in Lower Austria. But I'm Upper Austria. Replace. Product development game. In order to replace stretch film by paper, many properties must be adapted to match the customer's requirement to wrap pallets. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There a startup to find out how efficient we can do package energy conservation in pulp and paper industry through heat pumps, material efficiency, selective delignification with Mondi cycle digester, climate change resilience, reuse of filtrates and condensates, new analyzer. Ah. Oh, it's like a bachelor's thesis. Mm-hmm. Okay. Single exosome study. So these are studies that are still happening, right? So they started 2025. They're gonna be here for 2020. Okay. View all. No, they don't show that. Okay. Okay. Correlated and uncorrelated particle fluctuation. Okay, these are Austrian Research Promotion Agency Science Fund. Molecular fire label-free DNA biomarker detection using covalent organic framework. Coexistence of modeling language versus versions and coevolution. Modeling transit processes. Tiny Titans, autonomous nano robots for targeted drug delivery. That sounds cool. And beyond. Okay. Yeah, I heard about this one. Lewis based catalysis, closing the loop of battery waste, robust spin, mutations in meiotic recombination hotspot. Status active. Oh, that's it? The research combines state of the art techniques in mutagenesis recombination single mutation analysis to improve our understanding of how mutations occur between meiosis. In addition, this research will provide valuable insight. Department of Molecular and Membrane Biophysics. Highly parallel sequencing. This method is highly precise and can detect even the rarest of mutations. We will analyze a large number of meiotic E cells and sample mutations to identify the processes that can drive these changes. By comparing recombination hotspots with less active areas of genome as well as cells. So this is a wet lab research or most studies have analyzed humans living as these it's biophysics, so it should be wet lab, right? Exploring FGFR3 mutations in male germline implication for clonal germline expansion. Aha. Prices? What do you mean price? Oh, it's awards. Awards. Okay. Fellowships. French government scholarship. JQ habilitation stipend. What are these? Okay, it's once in a lifetime type of it's once. Okay, not scholarship. What are these? Best to abstract. Okay, these are awards. Okay. Don't care about awards. Uh, English. English? No. Welcome to the department. Working group investigates calcium transport mechanisms, protein engineering. The intensive supervision as well as good teachers. Attractive. Okay. So, let me ask GPT this. What do you think? From reading this, is this wet lab related or dry lab related? Oh, my related spelling. Stop saying bullshit. Excellent question. Why? This research group is primarily wet lab based. Okay. Okay, okay. Access to documents. Two not started. Okay. Investigation and reconstruction algorithms based on so-called tightly coupled tomography models. Mhm. Okay, this is a bit not on my field. Can you choose? Covalent organic framework for enhanced CO2 utilization in artificial photosynthesis. Interesting. But though, come on. Physical chemistry, electrochemistry, semiconductor physics, photonics, photochemistry. Okay, these are physical chemistry. Radar synchronization for DAR application. Argumenting musical interaction. I don't care. Robust spin, AI flow, mutations in meiotic hotspot, evolutionary research, molecular biology, genetics. Okay, this is also same as from. Would this be dry or wet? Dry or wet? Majority of the work wet lab. Once the sequencing is done, the data analysis part kicks in, processing sequences reads, performing bioinformatic analysis to detect mutation patterns. Okay, so there are computational biology here. Let's just connecting research and researchers. What is this? Education and qualification. California. Society for Molecular. What the society is that? I never heard of this. Is it like a social media? What is this? Join join the Society of Eligibility for the full range of conference travel and research. Oh, 20% discount. Gotta pay. Okay. I see what you did there. Austrian Associates. That's a service. Okay. What is this? What does that do? I seen this. It's right next to my university. Yeah, it's back here. I believe. Ah, I should go visit this place. It's temporarily closed. What do you mean, like it's? Oh no, what happened, bro? Vienna Biocenter. Allow cookies. Revise settings. Reject all. Yeah. Seems to say. Okay. Vienna Biocenter. Job boards. Oh, it's for scientist, senior scientist, 2 PhD position. Let me see what they got. Part time, managing director position. Oh, I'm a senior scientist myself. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Senior scientist. You could work here in Vienna. What are they saying? Stellen Abschreibung. I don't know. Forschung, that's research group, molecular chemistry and chemical biology, 40 hours a week, okay. Uh Part-time. PhD positions as part-time, okay. Okay, there are not enough part-time stats I wanted. Okay. Membership? Student membership? Oh, 30 euros? Come on, man. Why you gotta do this? Students membership should be free. I'll be back. Breakfast. Hell yeah. Peace out. I'll be out in 30 minutes. Uh, Being online and in person. Christians get involved, but register. I mean, I would have registered if I stop. Now, European Society of Human Genetics. That's also membership. You most likely you gotta pay, right? Most likely you gotta pay. It's in German. Uh, Stellenmarkt. Position market? Full site. Tile site. Stellen. It's in Vienna. Zellenanschreibung, ärztliche. Don't get it. Look at the forehead. Oh shit. Job advertisement. Medical pilot. Pilot? Gonna fly at the Institute of Human Genetics of the Center for it's now position of a medical pilot. What's a medical pilot? Dude, I have physics class in about 30 minutes. I gotta make sure where the class is. HS19. Where is HS19? Alright, I understand the place. I have found SCARCH. Identifying the right group, focus on groups where methods or research core genuinely interest you. Read on the recent publications or project descriptions, even just abstract. Make notes on what specifically caught your attention. This will help you sound informed. Find the right person to contact. Usually reach out to the group leaders. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A postdoc, PhD student. If the okay, sometimes there's a student assistant. Contact the department's website. If I'm sure you're totally fine to email the PI directly. Write a short, polite email. Nah, that email looks shit. Attach your CV. Mention if you're responsible, organized, or good at working independently. These matters more than grades. Okay. I don't know. Mentioning my YouTube channel, is that gonna help? I don't know. Timing and follow up. Send the email early in the week. If no reply after 10 days, send a polite follow up. Optional but powerful. If you can attend one of their seminars or talks, introduce yourself briefly and afterwards. Professors often remember that kind of initiative. Would you like me to? Nah. Okay. The process, how to approach, was exactly as I thought. This is a pretty good one. Let's see what else we got. Advanced computation for biofueling control in membrane distillation. What is this? Indian Institute of Technology, IIT. Oh, IIT is involved here. That's also the same person. Or did I just pick the same thing? Integration silicon color centers, ludic data visualization, industrial problem solving using symbolic, sub-symbolic AI, multi-source on school, fast and efficient CDF simulations through generative AI predictions, algorithms, architecture, subblocks generators, orthogonality and symmetry. Oh, that's organic chemistry, right? Mm-hmm. Digital, 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 digital valve actuation. These are all natural science. Body of knowledge on software modernization, protecting quantum information through high dimensional encoding, molecular engineering of non-fullerene acceptors, biomimicry center for biomedical engineering and characterization, biomimicry. Mhm. Open plus parasitic extraction using unnatural amino acids to identify physiologically relevant intertransmembrane domain loci crucial for why don't they describe what they're doing? Huh? Why wouldn't you describe? Computational approach to study piano rehearsal. Robust and interpretable AI power nonlinear. Ramen. Ramen spectroscopy. Quantum shadows. Quantum enhanced shadows. Oh. Quantum to classical converters. Quantum mechanics, that's a respectable research. Nano bioparticle for presence medicine. It's in German, so I'm not gonna go there. Advanced technologies for fuel cell subsystem compressor. Memory enhanced entanglement, multi-state logic and cluster state development. We got 50 pages. New modeling approach through deep learning. Probability theory, okay. Robotics, mathematical modeling, computational intelligence. That's getting AI. Ugh. Trump? We got to research on Trump? Hybrid modeling, okay. Optimization for steelmaking processes with flow-based digital twins. 40 NMR. NMR. Quantum light, optimized titanium, Austrian quantum fiber network. Okay. Wood comet, quantum ready, bio-based carbon for gas, water, bio-based carbons for energy-related applications and shape carbon bodies. Center for Surface and Nano Analytics. Okay. Transferable intelligence. Whoa. What do you mean by that? Is it like the simulating a fly's brain? Is that related to this? Institute for Mathematical Methods in Medicine and Database Modeling. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Math. As international and indisciplinary team, we combine basic research in mathematics with its applications to the institute subjects. No. Science Park. Okay, that's nearby. High performance quantum computing. Okay. Innsbruck, Vienna. JK is the lead. Okay. Department of Quantum Computing. I don't know. JK had a quantum integrated circuits and quantum computing. It's okay. I'll listen to your philosophy later, people. Fast method for adaptive isogeometric analysis. Intelligent, integrated, and impregnated cellulose-based sensors. Cellulose? Institute of Technical Mechanics. Uh, I think the more down we go, the more German it's gonna get. Human-centered artificial intelligence. Okay. Surplus. Okay. Intelligent, integrated. I read this. Symbiotic mechatronic. Regulation of ion channels. Ion challenged by membrane domains. It's Department of Molecular and Membrane Biophysics. Okay. Mm-hmm. Modeling and Simulation. Center for Symbiotic Mechatronics. Have you heard of one of those? Symbiotic Mechatronics. That's where Carnage Venom came up from. Ooh. Oh no, the phone has less amount of charges. We need to give it more charge. Oh man, my head. Ah. Catalytic tools for functional molecules. Catalytic tools for functional molecules. Okay. Institute of Catalysis. And of course, this is German. I have nothing against German, okay? I have nothing against German. It's just I'm not there yet. Why wouldn't you give us brief description on what your fucking project is? Why not? Are you too scared? To give a description of what you're doing? Huh? Huh? Multi-photon experiment with semicon. These people love the word quantum. Hardware acceleration for signal processing and okay. Silicon light emitters based on defect enhanced. Did I just read that? No, it's multi-photon. Okay. Christian Doppler laboratory for private authentication, nanoscale phase transformation, chemical photocatalysis, synthetic molecular communication, Department of Communication Engineering. Mm-hmm. So smart repairing photocatalyst system. Uh-huh. Image processing to solve a maze automatically. What is as a part of Project Seminar, it is absolutely recording labyrinth. Various algorithms for image preparation are examined and a small selection of them is implemented. Furthermore, an algorithm is used to solve a labyrinth in modified form. Following this, strategies for visualizing the solution part are developed and discussed. Finally, the design of the mechanical structure follows, which is to fulfill functions of the system. Okay. Synthesis of DNA binding metal organic compounds. Okay. It's inorganic. Can I search? No. Yeah, I can. DNA analyze. Oh. Experience an error. So, DNA fingerprints at crime scene. Okay, that's Damn, it started in 1998. Okay. Spectroelectrochemistry. Programmers Open Workbench. Project at the Industrial Mathematical Institute. Finished. Why are you starting to show me finished? That's it? Okay. I'm not saying that's it. Okay. The number of projects are increasing. Okay. Well, it's 24. Oh my god. I gotta head to physics class. And after that, I have the gender studies class. And after that, I have a team meeting with the members of my team for the gender studies class. And after that, I'll be here and we'll be continuing with the sequence analysis. Yeah, I need to explain the code I wrote. I mean, it, they might call me, they might not call me, so it doesn't matter. But still, I need to look up those, and I need to know about the PAM and Blast. No, Plam and Blossom. These are the two methods used by the bioinformatics to analyze mutations. I believe. I believe. That's it for today, YouTube. Like that's it for now. Right now, I'll be continuing later. And I know job. The title is saying job hunt, but I'm just looking at projects. I know it will all make sense, people. It will all make sense. Peace.